In the Eats with Twan kitchen, I was in the mood to make brunch. So what I did, I made some homemade French toast sticks. And let me tell you something, they were simple, easy, and delicious. Look at those French toast sticks. Now, I got them nice and golden brown. When they come out of the skillet, what I did, I put them right in a nice mixture of some cinnamon sugar. Let's get right into this recipe. Listen, all of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description for you to follow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more recipes from me, Eats with Twan. Now to start the recipe off, I'm going to work on my French toast mixture. I'm cracking 2 large eggs in a mixing bowl just like that. 2 large eggs is all you're going to need. I'm adding some bourbon vanilla extract. You can simply use regular vanilla extract if you don't want the bourbon. I added a tad bit of nutmeg and some ground cinnamon. And guess what? If you want to add a little bit more cinnamon, go ahead. It's not going to hurt nobody. To that, I added some sugar. Not too much because I'm going to dip the French toast sticks in that cinnamon sugar, so we don't want too much sugar, okay? I'm going to add my liquid, which will be milk, just like that. To that, I'm adding some melted salted butter. Salted butter is going to be the key for this recipe. Now, the salted butter will help balance out the sweetness in the French toast mixture. It won't overpower it, so don't worry. Now, it's important to whisk that mixture together. You want to make sure you get all of the egg yolks. You don't want any eggs popping out of this mixture. It should look just like that. Go ahead, set that aside so we can move over to our bread. Now, the bread of choice for this recipe will be a nice brioche bread. Now, I got this brioche bread from the local bakery. It was uncut, so I cut them into thick slices. Now, each slice, I am going to cut the slices into strips to make my French toast sticks. Now, if you're following this recipe, it is up to preference. You can keep the crust on or you can take it off. Leaving the crust on, that means you're an adult. Taking it off site. You can do whatever you want. Now, I was able to cut 5 strips out of this thick cut of brioche bread, but as you can see, it's still quite large, so I need to, tone it down a bit. So I'm going to divide that large strip into 2. So from that 1 slice of thick brioche bread, I was able to get 5 strips, and I was able to double it. As you can see, this is the perfect consistency for me. Now, if you're following this recipe, you can make them large or small. It's totally up to you. You know I'm only here to guide you. So once you get the size and the consistency that you like, go ahead, cut them and set them aside. We're going to put that in a mixture. Once we put them in a mixture, we're going to go ahead and put these in a skillet on medium heat. And guess what? We're going to be like almost done the recipe. Now look how much strips I was able to gather from that brioche bread. Now that was quite a bit. This is going to make a ton of servings if you get a thick cut slice of bread, okay? Now to make our cinnamon sugar mixture, I'm adding some granulated sugar to a mixing bowl along with some ground cinnamon. That's all you need. 2 ingredients, you have your cinnamon, sugar. Go ahead and whisk it together. But I have a tip. It's completely optional. If you have some turbinado sugar, go ahead and add that to the mixture. It's going to give you a nice bite once you add your French toast sticks to that mixture once it comes out the skillet, I'm telling you. So this is a video of the turbinado sugar that I added, completely optional. It's going to give it a nice bite to your French toast sticks, okay? Now, don't say I never gave y'all no tips. Now, get a skillet, add some butter to that skillet. Have your heat on medium. Don't put on medium high, put on medium, and make sure that butter melts. And we're going to get started to go ahead and brown these French toast sticks, okay? So we're going to go ahead and cook them, brown them, and it's going to be beautiful. Now I added my French toast sticks to the French toast mixture, gave it a quick dunk, front, back, side to side, just make sure everything is evenly coated. Then I added to that skillet with the butter on medium heat. Remember, not medium high. I know we like to have everything on medium high, but no, medium heat. We do not want to overcook this and we don't want nothing to burn. Now listen, you want to give the French toast sticks a quick dunk. You do not want to leave it in that mixture. You don't want any soggy French toast sticks because the bread will start falling apart. Then you're gonna be like, well, Twan, the recipe didn't work out. Listen, I'm giving you the tips now. Make sure your heat's on medium. Don't keep it in the liquid too long. Give it a quick dunk and add it to the skillet. Now you're only going to need 1 to 2 minutes until they turn golden brown. As you can see, gave it a nice flip. Everything is still holding. Look, nothing is falling apart because I did not dunk them too long in that French toast mixture. Now look at the color on those French toast sticks. That looks amazing. I told y'all, just follow me. I got y'all. Now listen, make sure you get the sides. Don't just flip it on the front to back like a steak. Get everything. Get front, back, sides, all that, okay? Now I did have a stubborn French toast stick and did not actually want to flip in a skillet, but we got it flipped. Now, once your French toast sticks are done, they should look just like this. Golden brown, cooked to perfection. Look at that. They look very, very good. Now I'm going to turn the heat off because it's time to dunk these bad boys into that cinnamon sugar mixture, and then we're done with this recipe. Soon as the French toast sticks are finished, take it right out the skillet while it's hot, add it to that cinnamon sugar mixture, roll it as much as you want to, and then put it on a wire rack, okay? Here's a tip. I coated my French toast sticks in that cinnamon sugar 1 by 1. You can actually add more than one to your mixing bowl. I just wanted to make sure all of my French toast sticks were evenly coated with that cinnamon sugar mixture. We don't want to waste it, right? So my syrup of choice for this recipe will be maple syrup. Now I'm using full paper to alleviate major cleanup because that cinnamon sugar does fall everywhere. As you can see, it's on the wide rack, and also it's on my cutting board. So I'm adding my French toast sticks to my fry basket. This is a fry basket that I got from Macy's home store last year during the holidays. Came in handy for this recipe. It ain't French fries, but it's close enough, right? So I got my helping of French toast sticks, and look, we have our homemade French toast sticks with that cinnamon sugar mixture. This thing was amazing. We have our maple syrup on the side. Don't let it fall. This thing was so quick and easy and amazing for any brunch or breakfast. Now fam, we made French toast sticks. Yes, we made it. You guys watch me make it. You guys were here with me. Let's give it a taste test. Look at the maple syrup dripping from these thick brioche French toast sticks. Got me saying, you guys get the drift. This is a family friendly channel, so let's keep it that way. But let me tell you something. These French toast sticks were amazing for brunch. You can make this for breakfast, you can have it for brunch, so quick and easy. If you have not already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more recipes from East with Twan. I'll catch you guys in the next recipe video.